I've been out inspecting my beans and look at this. Aphids. I'll get on to those later. Pests are an all too common challenge, but that doesn't mean they need to gain the upper hand. In fact, in most cases, there are ways to prevent your crops from even getting infested in the first place. Here then are 7 simple, savvy strategies to help you prevent pests.
Our first strategy is to make life easier for yourself by selecting varieties that are known to have some resistance to common pests. Spend a little time researching seed catalogues for suitable varieties to reduce pest problems later on. Look out for carrot fly resistant carrots, for example, or seek out potatoes that shake off eelworm attacks. Interplant crops with one another. This confuses passing pests because they will find it harder to hone in on their preferred crop. You can interplant different vegetables or mix up vegetables with herbs or flowers to create a more diverse and confusing planting scheme. Obfuscate some more by growing vegetables with coloured leaves, like purple varieties of cabbage or kale that insects won't expect. Another deceptively simple strategy is to grow vegetables outside of the peak times for their pests. Take the example of flea beetles, which chew tiny holes in the leaves of brassicas. Their activity peaks in midsummer, so grow vegetables such as Asian greens and mustards in the autumn when fewer beetles are about. You can also plant before a pest arrives. This works well with fast-growing early peas, for example, helping them to dodge the destructive attention of pea moths. Physically move vegetables out of harm's way. Grow carrots and cabbage family crops in pots at least 18 inches or 45 centimetres above ground, well out of the way of low-flying carrot flies and cabbage root flies. Raised pots also reduce problems with slugs and other soil-dwelling pests. Starting seedlings off under cover in pots is a reliable way to avoid early setbacks from the likes of pigeons and slugs. By the time they're transplanted, your plants will be bigger, sturdier, and more capable of withstanding minor attacks. Make good use of barriers to physically separate pests from plants. Insect mesh, floating row covers, or horticultural fleece will stop just about any pests from getting near your hard-won crops. Leave covers to rest on the plants or support them on hoops. Secure them around the edges so pests can't gain access by just walking in at soil level. Covers are a great solution for caterpillar-prone brassicas and for barring entry to the likes of carrot fly, aphids and squash bugs. Ladybugs, hoverflies, parasitic wasps, lacewings, just a few of the beneficial bugs that will help control pests by either eating them or hatching their young inside them. Tempt more beneficial bugs into your garden by growing lots of the flowers they love, like cosmos, sweet alyssum, dill, yarrow and many more besides. Grow them among or immediately next to your vegetables for maximum impact. Finally, make sure plants are as healthy as they can be, because strong, healthy plants are less susceptible to pests. Stress-free plants have their own pest defences, which more often than not allow them to see off pests without any help from us. So grow plants in the right conditions, keep them well fed and water well in dry weather. Don't forget to feed the soil too, with plenty of well-rotted organic matter such as compost, to promote a thriving root system that supports healthy growth above ground.
Those pesky pests keep us on our toes, don't they? But arm yourself with the right strategies and you can keep them well away from your crops. Please share your own pest prevention techniques down below. How do you take care of common pests and just how successful are you? Now, if you're not yet a subscriber, where have you been? Put that right immediately by clicking that subscribe button before you head off today. I'll catch you next time.